Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is my next Halloween-ish themed video, and I figured how much easier does it get for a Halloween look than just turning yourself into your own sim. If you guys do not know, I'm a pretty avid Sims player. I have my own channel on YouTube. I posted on there maybe like 2 months ago. I'm gonna get better at posting on there, okay? But on this channel, I have posted a video where I let my sim pick my makeup. If you haven't seen it, I will leave it in the description or the eye up here or something like that. If you saw it, it didn't go that well, okay? And I said in that video, would you guys like to see me give myself another chance at, you know, producing something that was actually good? You guys said yes, so I figured I would do that in this video because, again, we're looking for easy Halloween looks that should be easy. You know, this time around, I do have some help because today's video is sponsored by Beauty Bay. Ain't nothing in the box, but I just want to show it to you for this part. And I have high hopes that this will go well. So if you guys want to see that, then let's go. So this is my, well, you can't see my computer over here. It'll be here on the screen, but this is my sim. She looks different compared to the last video I uploaded because after Eco Living, whatever that expansion pack was that gave them like pollution, stuff like that, my game corrupted. So I had to start all over again, get all new CC and make a whole new sim. So that's why she looks different, but this is what she looks like. She doesn't have anything on except edges. And also, I don't know if you don't play the game, like you won't know, but in Create a Sim, you can't like randomize, you can't use little dice to randomize makeup. So I'm just gonna have to, you know, scroll up and down, stop, click on it, then, you know, open my eyes and see what it is. Okay, see, the difference in today's video is the first time around, I was doing it like on the spot. Like I'm seeing what the eyeshadow is gonna be and then I'm doing it. You know, I'm seeing what this is gonna be and then I'm doing it. This time around, I wanna do the whole like randomization thing, like see what the entire look is going to be like all at once so I can go into it with a game plan of what I'm recreating, right? Okay, so let me fire up my... Okay, that is actually cute. Listen, one thing I'm gonna do is pick cute CC for my Sims. Okay, that is actually a cute, actually the one I did in the other video, it wasn't an ugly eyeshadow look, but this is definitely something that if I haven't done this before, I would definitely do this. So, okay, see, look, I'm going into it thinking positively. So by the end of today's video, I have to look cute. That is the mission, that is the goal, because I make cute Sims. All right, so let's move on to eyeshadow. Okay, that is still cute. It still goes with the look. I'm not sure if I actually have that color liner. Because yeah, it goes with the look, but you guys know like I don't really do liner like that anyway, and it's certainly never not neon. Okay, well. I feel like that's just meant for me when it comes to Sims. Like nothing can ever be that good because what is that? Look at her face. It's white underneath her eyes. It legit makes it, one, makes her look a different skin tone in the face, and two, ashy around the mouth. I mean, like I said, it is my goal to be cute by the end of this video. So you know what? Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look, it's like a pinky purple type thing that goes with the eyeshadow look. We know what it is. I think in Create a Sim, sometimes they generate something else based on something else that's on the face. Like look at it this way. Sometimes if you're in Create a Sim and you put a red top on the sim, when you go to like generate shoes, they'll put red shoes on the sim. You see what I'm saying? Like sometimes I think they try to color match for you when you're dressing the sim. So I think that's why it's giving that kind of like pinky purple thing. Hey, I'm not going to complain. I mean, this doable, you know. I will have to figure out the middle of her face, but it's doable. Let's just give me some hair because, you know, I'm not trying to be bald again in this video. This is how I know, like, the game itself just likes messing with me, because that's not even a pink hair color. Like, you guys know how you can change the hair color, the shirt color by hitting the little drop down menu and clicking on the little squares. The initial color is black, okay? But again, I think this is the whole them trying to like color match for you type thing. So they made it pink because the rest of the look is pink. But this is the one time like I could have just used the black for the hair, because what am I supposed to do now? Where am I getting a neon pink wig? I cheated. I gave her lashes because, like I said, I'm gonna be cute by the end of this video, okay? Ashy middle face and all. I will figure it out. But I could order a pink wig and just crimp it? Yeah, crimp. But because, you know, we're already this deep into it and I like a challenge, what if I bought a wig and did all of that myself? Granted, I have no experience with, you know, coloring or styling or installing wigs, but you know, YOLO. So I guess that means like I can't film this today because I don't have the things that I would need to. So I'm gonna go find a wig and figure out everything that I need to do for that wig, and then I guess I will see you guys back here. I'm getting giggly because, well, we'll see how this turns out. So I'm back with my wig and materials, and I feel like I've asked Bemi enough questions and watched enough Arnell tutorials to, okay, well, maybe not know what I'm doing, but at least to try what I'm about to try. So let's see how this goes. So finally, here we are. This is going to tie the entire look together. The makeup, I already kind of started on the brows. You guys know I do that off camera, but my sim has a little bit more defined and darker brows. So I did do concealer on top and bottom, and then I made them a little darker than I usually would. Now for the star of the show. This is the Bright Matte eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bay. This has 42 shades in it, and I high-key wasn't worried about what eyeshadow combination I got from the randomizer, because I mean, look at it. Look at this. This is every colorful eyeshadow wearer's dream of a palette, because not only does it have colors in it, but it has different depths of color. So, you know, you can pretty much get any type of colorful eyeshadow look out of this. And on top of that, well, this is technically the top row, but you're seeing it as the bottom row, has neutral shades as well. So you can add some neutral colors into your colorful looks, or you can get a neutral eyeshadow look out of the top row. So I wasn't worried about what eyeshadow look I got, but I like the one that I did get. So I'm gonna look at this, see which shades I need, and then we're gonna get started. Definitely dropping this palette before this video ends, but let's start with this shade, Sweet Tooth, because her eyeshadow kind of almost touches her brow, so I'm gonna do a very light transition shade. I'm just gonna use the palette as a mirror. You guys know mirrors matter in palettes, okay? And she's giving very HD, maybe even a little too HD, but you know, I'm the only one seeing it. And then pretty much right on top of that, we're gonna do this pink shade called Cosmopolitan. And then I'm gonna take the shade right next to it called Make Them Wink. And she is the color I'm gonna start in my crease with before I move on to purple. Let's do this purple called Grape Escape right on top of that pink Make Them Wink. Not too much, just to darken it up a little bit. Take just a little teeny tiny bit of this really dark blue right here on the end, I can't see the name, and start on my outer corner with that. Okay, maybe even a little less than this was needed. Because I was planning on going over it with the deepest purple in the palette. Now I just need to pick a blue for my lid shade. I'm pretty sure this one is the shade of blue I should use. And I'm just going to start applying that. Yo, I've been doing this ever since I tried it in that trying fall trends makeup look. It makes things a little bit messier, you know, swirling my lid color on this way, but I like it, so I've kept doing it. So the complexion might actually be what gives me a problem in this video, because as you guys can see, her T-zone is supposed to be very light. So it's like, okay, just use a light concealer. I don't even have that light of a concealer because I don't normally use that light of a concealer. And you guys know I don't like hoarding onto makeup. So we're gonna have to figure something out here. Okay, I threw in the LA Girl concealer because again, we were trying to get a bright T-zone. Let me tell y'all how over I am of these press-ons that I legit just put on. So I opened the box and it didn't come with glue, it came with the little sticker. So I was like, okay, I'll just use that because I don't have the glue, right? They've legit, like, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fingers left since I sat down to start filming. So note to self, don't use little stickers. Or at least don't use them alone. Use them with glue. And if you don't have glue, then just don't use them. So for foundation, I'm not gonna use much, and I'm also gonna try not to go over my concealer area like I usually would to tone it down, because I don't want to tone it down. So powder is also going to be our friend today. Well, I could just end the video here, right? Ooh, look at the setting powder just flying off of my face. I also have this Complexion crayon eyeliner trio from Beauty Bay, and I'm looking at the black one. Like, can I add, because you guys know I like adding beauty marks to all of my looks. Like, can I add that even though the generator didn't do that? It's like, I feel like I deserve a little break in this look, so I can add it anyway. But there's a black, there's a brown, then white. Ooh, the sharpener on the end fell out. A goldish cream shade. I might even use the brown for some beauty marks. We'll see. I made mine bright, but it's bright like yellow. Hers is bright white. You know what? I might just take the yellow. I'm gonna set my face using the NYX matte spray because, you know, Sim is still a cartoon, so. And then for my lips, I have this berry collection from Beauty Bay. I'm gonna use this shade Candy on top because her lips are kind of like a pinky purple, but to brighten it up a little bit. And that is it for my face. You know, I said by the end of this video, I want to look like a cute human version of my Sim. My T-zone is very bright right now, but I feel like, you know, all together, Look, mission accomplished in my head, okay? Shout out to Bemi on the help. And I also feel like, you know, I should pat myself on the back for actually getting the hair color to be pretty spot on for someone who doesn't know what they're doing. So shout out to her for her help. Shout out to Arnell for not knowing that she was helping me with her videos on how to watercolor hair. Of course, shout out to Beauty Bay for these, especially the eyeshadow palette. Like, yes, ma'am. Okay, but these products in general to help me create this look. And yeah, I feel like that is pretty much it. If you saw the first one, let me know in the comments down below if you feel like I did a better job since I actually planned out recreating my sim look. And yeah, you know, I hope this was just a fun video for you guys to watch. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Now, I could have ended the video there, but it wouldn't truly be doing y'all the justice of me saying that I am letting my sim pick my makeup and I'm going to look exactly like my sim by the end of the video. So now I'm a little more at peace at saying I turned myself into my sim.